losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose, what do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes
Good morning, guys. Welcome to a new vlog. Don't mind my face. My face is a bit swollen up. It's gonna be a very productive day. Right now, we don't have water running upstairs, so I have to go downstairs and go look for water. Which is another exercise, though I'm not complaining, but because exercise, I'm going to be climbing up the stairs maybe like 6 times of the stairs with water. Thank God I'm not going to be backing baby girl in the bar because my nephew is around, so he's going to stay with her in the house while I go look for water. Hubby is not home, he went out, so I have to go and look for water now because we need water inside the house. Yeah, so today's vlog is me fetching water and any other thing that comes around. You guys, I'll take you guys along. Okay, so if you're new here, hi, my name is Jessica Chonabek. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Nigeria, Abuja. I'm a mom of 1. I'm married to a Slovak. If this is what you're interested in, kindly subscribe, like, share, and comment. Okay, guys, so let's get the day started. I don't want this intro to be too long now. So let's go look for water. I said that now. I did mirror. All right, so let's go. See if baby girl is here. She wants to follow mommy to go and fetch water. All right, guys, let's go fetch water. See this one. Give me my distance, Jerry. So stay with go and stay with Junior. You cannot follow mommy to go and fetch water. Go and stay with Junior.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.
Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people.
So guys, I'm done fetching water, so now it's time to clean the house. So I'll first start with my bedroom, then I move to baby girl's room, then we move along. Yeah, so please keep on watching. Okay, I need to brush my teeth first though. I never brushed teeth this morning. I woke up late, guys, because I was doing research for my Facebook page. If you have not followed me on Facebook, please go there and follow me, guys. I'm almost in 3K followers, but this thing is just, I don't know, whether the followers is decreasing. I don't know. Being a social media influencer is not easy. How do you guys do it? Like, how? Alright, so let's go. Let me go brush my teeth before I continue on what I want to do. Yes, I never brushed it. I woke up, I saw there's no water. I had to fetch water first before doing any of that thing else. So we'll go brush it. My mouth not this way. Oh. You want to brush your teeth? I can't continue. So guys, here I'm brushing baby girl's teeth. You see the struggle to brush your toddler, like we were fighting Jackie Chan here.
Burden me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better. See, I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10".
So guys, I'm starting out by cleaning my room, removing the bed sheets, and I'm going to also remove baby girl's pampers. I'm going to wear my belt, then I'll remove the bed sheet because this one is an old one. I'll put a new sheet because, you know, I change my sheet every week. Okay, then I will clean the floor, clean the bed, everywhere. Okay, please keep on watching.
I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say, yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
Coming out with a statement. You really changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it, get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future. We all start losers. We're all late bloomers. Gotta struggle through the.
So guys, I decided to take the dirty bedsheet into the washing machine, and I wanted to wash it, but I checked if they have brought the water. There was no water, so I went back to the room, and right here I am arranging my clothes, like my sleeping clothes. This is where I keep my sleeping clothes. That is more easier for me to access it. Baby girl just turned it upside down for me. So after this, I will sweep and mop and also wash the toilet. So please keep on watching.
What you say? Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say, yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
So guys, I'm cleaning the toilet. I'm going to use Happy to put it for it to soak. Then I'm using this detergent. Then after that, I'll wash everywhere in the toilet. So please keep on watching. This is a deep cleaning of my whole house. I hope you enjoy this video.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind.
So guys, here I'm watching the toilet baby girl used to use to shower. So I'll first of all put Harpic as usual, then I'll leave it to soak. I will put my Omo in the sink, and then I'll just scrub everywhere. And please keep on watching. I'm also going to wash the walls of this bathroom. So I hope this video motivates you to clean your space. I do this cleaning once every Saturday. Like every Saturday I deep clean the 2 bathroom every Saturday. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have watched this extent and you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn up the notification bell so that you notify whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. Alright guys, so please keep on watching.
the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the
So guys, I'm done washing the toilet, so I'm just going to mop it, rearrange the slippers and everything that I know I need to rearrange in the toilet. This is what the toilet looks like. So we move to the next place of our cleaning, which will be baby girl's room. So please keep on watching. So guys, it's time for us to deep clean and rearrange Madam's room. So I just told my nephew to excuse me. Then I'm also going to be removing all these toys and everything on the bed. I'll change the bed spread because it's also dirty as well, and we'll clean everywhere. So please keep on.
I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my...
So guys, right now I'm removing her dried dresses from her hanger. Then I will fold these later on. So I just want to remove the dried dresses from her hanger, then I'll just keep on with the cleaning and rearranging of her room. So please keep on.
For a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
So guys, this is me drinking water to get my more strength. So right now I want to rearrange the kitchen, put everything back in order, the plates, and clean the dining table area. Please keep on watching. I hope this video motivates someone out there. Yeah, so please keep on.
Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
So guys, I'm dusting the TV stand, I'm dusting the pictures and everything. So after dusting everywhere, I will mop the floor. So please keep on watching.
I want to say congratulations to all the girls in this world who are strong, who are confident, and yes, we have insecure moments, and that's okay. But guess what? You do something that millions of people would never be able to do if they had the opportunity, because it takes guts, it takes balls.
When you are struggling and you start thinking about giving up, I want you to remember the power of hope. The belief that something better is always possible if you're willing to work for it and fight for it. If we work hard enough and believe in ourselves, then we can be whatever we dream.
Stay with it. You don't need to water it down. No one else has the same story.
You're born with worthiness. You don't have to hustle for it. There's no prerequisites to it. There's no bartering for it. You're born with it. As soon as you come out of the womb, you're worth it. There is nothing you have to do for worth. You don't have to hustle for it. You don't have to barter for it. You have to do nothing but be born. So to all those watching who feel like that or have ever felt like that, focus on what I'm about to say and repeat after me. I'm worth it.
Stay with it. You don't need to water it down. No one else has the same story. Stay with it, please. Stay with it, please. You can't take all the time that you.
So guys, right now I am folding the baby girl's clothes. Remember the clothes I brought out initially? I'm folding it, and Hubby just dropped her to come, and she's just showing you guys all her dresses. Oh, so here are the clothes. I'm done folding it, so I'm just going to put this in her drawer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn up the notification bell so that you notify whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. Guys, I really appreciate all the love and the support. Thank you all. God bless you. See you all in our next one. Bye.